Solar generators are a clean, quiet, and efficient way to power your appliances. Look no further. Let's check our top picks. Number 1, most popular. FLASHFISH 200W Portable Power Station. This 200W power station is the perfect generator for hobbyists that work outdoors and need a generator on a budget. The LCD screen allows you to monitor battery power for each of the 6 ports while charging smaller devices during an emergency or spending time outdoors. It also has built-in anti-surge and overheating protection for added safety. Although this unit cannot be charged and used at the same time, and takes a whopping 24 hours to fully charge using solar power alone, it only takes about 6 hours to charge using the DC car adapter. Number 2. FLASHFISH 300W Solar Generator. It is our other recommendation for you. Its safety features include protection against short-circuiting, overheating, electrical surges, and excessive current use. The silver case is metal and the black ends are plastic, more durable than other solar generators. With 300W continuous power, 350W peak power, 60,000 mAh battery capacity, and pure sine wave, this power generator can charge your devices more stably. The 5.6 pounds lightweight makes it perfectly fit in your backpack. The battery pack can be recharged from the sun with a solar panel. Number 3. ROCKPALS 250W Portable Generator. Weighing only 5.5 pounds and at 10 inches long, this lightweight and portable solar generator from ROCKPALS can fit in your backpack and is perfect for powering small devices while enjoying the great outdoors. With 250W of power and 3 different ways to recharge, this 8-outlet generator comes with AC and DC adapters and a car charger cable. In addition, this unit includes overvoltage and overheating protection. It's very lightweight and portable, and the assorted outlets make it a great option as an emergency power supply. Number 4. Jackery Solar Generator 1000. To keep your refrigerator running when the lights go out, this 2,000W surge and 1,000W continuous watt Jackery solar generator is just the ticket. This unit can be charged from your car, home outlets, or while using the 2 included 100W solar panels. Able to power 8 devices at the same time with its variety of outputs, this unit is versatile and powerful enough to power a full-size refrigerator. The solar generator produces almost no noise, and it features an on-button design for easy use. Number 5. GOLABS Portable Power Station. Camping fans will love this small GOLABS solar generator that comes with 3 different convenient LED intensities for added campsite lighting, and 9 outputs to charge most of your smaller appliances. The USB port shuts off when it's fully charged. You can continue using other outputs while it's charging and also use 2 separate charging ports, for example, the USB and solar panels together for faster charging. GOLABS power supply works without bothering noise, no fuel or gasoline. It can safeguard you and your devices by overvoltage protection. Number 6. BLUETTI Portable Power Station. For off-grid living, BLUETTI's 2,000W solar generator can easily power most of your appliances with its 13 different outputs, while the 3 charging options ensure you always have a charging source. Although it doesn't come with an RV receptacle, the handy LCD color touchscreen allows you to easily control all settings and monitor battery power. It needs 4.5 hours to fully recharge it with one 500W AC adapter and supports 2.5 hours by dual AC adapter. It also comes with a durable and safer LiFePO4 battery. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.